Meteorologist Scott Dorval with the Idaho News 6 forecast.
Let's start with those frigid temperatures we had this morning because it was certainly noticeable, and we're getting it again. So the inversion is in place. We blocked that sunshine, and that cold, cloudy air has moved back into the Treasure Valley. Here are the temperatures this morning, and you'll notice across the region, it was definitely on the chilly side. A cold air mass in place. If we had snow on the ground in the Treasure Valley, we would have gone to 0 this morning pretty easily. It's just not there. And so our temperatures are in the low 20s for low, 17 in Mountain Home, 14 below 0 in Stanley this morning. It was certainly a cold one. I'll show you more on that coming up in a moment. In the meantime, that low cloud cover socked right back into the Treasure Valley, 26 degrees. There's some light ice crystals falling, so there's a little light snow falling. The sky is clear above this, and there's a moon that looks full. I've got a great picture that Bob Dodge sent to me, and I'm going to post it on my Facebook page coming up over Jug Handle Mountain. Beautiful shot right there. Officially, the full moon is tomorrow, but we're 26 degrees and cloudy, so it's tough to see it in the Treasure Valley right now. And it was cloudy this morning, and look at this in Stanley. And then the low clouds, you can almost set your clock. Right around 11 o'clock is when these low clouds typically break. That was the case as it got to -3, and then blue skies at Redfish Lake. What a beautiful afternoon. But only 6 degrees at 4 o'clock, so keep that in mind. And temperatures will be rocketing back down to around 14 below again overnight. Notice how you don't see much wind showing up at all, although we do have a light northwest breeze tomorrow, which could keep the low clouds and fog in for a while. This is what I wanted to show you. This is 10 o'clock Wednesday evening, gusty wind coming out of the southeast. So that's feeding into our next storm system. That's going to keep the temperature up. It's going to stop snow from really accumulating in the Treasure Valley. This next storm, I thought we might get some snow on the ground. We might get a little. It's going to happen Thursday morning, and then it's just going to melt again. We're going to continue in that weather pattern where we get snow, and then it melts. All right, here's high pressure, and that's sitting right over northeast Oregon and pretty much southwest Idaho, and that's why an inversion is in place. There's a storm system to our south. That one dove to the south, bringing snow up to Salt Lake City, and lots of snow into Denver and up in Casper, Wyoming. We'll be getting some snow, but we've got dry weather across the northwest. But there's a huge plume of moisture coming out of the tropics, and that is going to start blasting central Idaho, and then a series of storms is going to move into central Idaho over the next week to actually 1 to 2 weeks. It's really going to be bringing in some pretty impressive amounts of moisture. Now, this chart shows clear skies tomorrow afternoon. We may end up keeping some cloud cover around. We'll get cloudy on Wednesday. This is Wednesday afternoon right here with the blue meaning snow showers in the west central mountains. Heavier snow Wednesday night in the mountains, a rain-snow mixture in the Treasure Valley. A brief period of snow could coat the ground to maybe a coating to an inch east of Boise Thursday morning, but it will melt later in the day. In fact, it shows up here in the future snow that it's there, but it's not going to last long. I think Bogus Basin could get 6 inches of snow out of this next storm system. Similar story up north here. This new computer model is still overdoing it on Brundage Mountain. I think 6 or 7 inches of snow is a good bet out of this next storm system Wednesday through Thursday. But there are more storms to follow, a series of them. Look at the McCall extended forecast. We're talking snow at night, accumulating 3 to 6 inches of snow in McCall by Thursday. More snow showers Friday night into Saturday could do 1 to 3 inches, another 3 to 6 inches Sunday, and another 1 to 3 inches potentially on Monday. So this is going to be a series of storms indeed. Treasure Valley for tomorrow morning, low clouds and fog. Could end up being afternoon, low clouds and fog as well. We'll get some sunshine mixed in there, hopefully at some point, but still only in the 30s. Morning snow showers Thursday, and then melting in the afternoon, and then off and on precipitation coming in this weekend. Don, looks like it could be a stormy weekend, mostly in the form of rain.
Yeah, good news for the mountains, though. We'll take it. All right, thanks, Scott.